Hey there! Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom? Well, Kelly and Joel Harden have some great news for you. Introducing the Ultimate Mobile Home Investing course, designed specifically with you in mind. It's called Heels, Deals, and Wheels. Mobile Home Investing course. It's on demand and available on Vimeo.com. They created this course because they believe everyone deserves the opportunity to learn and succeed in mobile home investing. Their course is packed with knowledge and strategies that they personally use to build a thriving portfolio of mobile homes. As a beginner, you'll learn everything from finding the right mobile home deals, negotiating prices, and even how to finance your own investments. What sets this course apart from other courses is that it's not just a bunch of theory. You'll be immersed in real-life scenarios, case studies, and interactive activities to help solidify your understanding. Their students have gone from having zero knowledge to becoming successful mobile home investors, and you can do the same. Plus, when you join their course, you'll also gain access to exclusive bonus materials within their private Facebook group, including contracts, forms, business credit, renting to Section 8, seller financing, creating notes, and ongoing support from Kelly personally at no extra charge. You will also have Kelly's personal cell phone number after you have signed up for the course. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Heels, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing course is the guide you've been waiting for. Your journey towards financial freedom could start today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. They look forward to seeing you inside the course. If you still have any other questions, please feel free to call or text Kelly at 800-974-5580 for a free 30-minute one-on-one Zoom to see if their course is a fit for you. Lastly, Kelly and Joel Harden wanted me to inform you that the course will never go on sale. They believe that the course packs a mean punch. They have taken over 4 professional mobile home investing courses themselves, and they feel like they are well-rounded in the mobile home investing business.